Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, I'm happy inviting you to the entertainment and education segment, the tongue twisters. As usual, I say tongue twisters are fun. They need not be sensible or logical. They help us promote our pronunciation and fluency skills. Today's tongue twister is for sure thought-provoking too. Yeah, answer my question. Which of the following four washes is different from the rest? 1. Eye wash. 2. Mouthwash. 3. Face wash. And 4. Brain wash. Okay, we shall come out with our own opinions. The eye wash is good for our vision. The mouthwash for our teeth, gum and throat. And the face wash for our appearance. How about the brain wash? A big question mark. The tongue twister today asks us to pronounce the four washes: eye wash, mouth wash, face wash and brain wash. So you must say eye wash, mouth wash, face wash, brain wash 5 times in 30 seconds and 10 times in 60 seconds. Let me initiate the show for you. Eye wash, mouth wash, face wash, brain wash. 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 The reason for my selection of this tongue twister is it has the SH sounds. Ish, ish. These are intricate. Okay friends, try it out. Let's meet again in a couple of days. Goodbye. Until then.
Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.